Hi everyone, what's up? Yo, it's me, your boy Eric, and today I'm gonna teach you how to play For You Alone on ukulele. This song is requested by Rowena Joy Kasama. Right, before we continue, I'd like to give a shout out to Mr. Marvin and Kuya Dudes for my t-shirt. And I want to congratulate our team for winning the competition sa inter-town yata yun, or inter-company competition. Alright, dito sa Thailand, Saraburi. Good job guys, and thank you for bringing honor to our school. Baka naman school, gusto nyo sponsoran sila Kuya Dude sa susunod nilang uniform. Alright, so champion sila, partida, hindi pa po ako naglaro nun. Naglaro ako. Pero lang po, I don't play basketball, I just play ukulele and other things. I play chess, so you can play chess with me online. Right, let's move on. So make sure your ukulele is in standard tuning, just like mine. And here's a piece of paper with all the chords that you need for this song. I'll give you a couple of seconds to take a look at that while I have a sip of my water. So we're playing this song in key of G. So we're having G, B minor. We are also having A minor, C, and D. Another variation of D that we're going to use in this song is the D7. It's D7 because we're using the 7th note from the key root note D. 7. But don't worry if you find it hard, just use D. Alright? And regardless if it's D7 or D, it's still the same. If you don't know those chords, feel free to pause the video and learn them one by one. I'll give you a quick tutorial. G is like this. So, 2 fingers right here at dito. Alright, B minor, you just need this finger to be here. And bar the number 1 finger dito sa 2nd fret. We also have A minor, only 1 finger to the 2nd fret of G string. And C, only 1, 3rd fret. Using your number 3 finger for smooth shifting ng chords. And D. Okay, lahat sila nandito. All your fingers. 2, 3, 4 here, and D7 goes like this. Bar your number 1 finger right here and put this number 2 finger sa last string. Sounds like that. Alright, so that's all the chords that we need, and let's proceed. Let's start this song. Alright, so the strumming pattern I suggest for this song is the easy strumming pattern, and we always use that strumming pattern in my previous videos. It's down, down, up, 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 down. Let's practice the rhythm. Feel it. Alright? So let's proceed to the intro. The intro goes G, B minor, A minor, and D7. Okay? So all chords are 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Strumming pattern goes down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down. And then when you are about to start the song, just pause it right here in D7. Alright, so let's proceed to the verse. Let me give you a walkthrough. The chords go like this. You are the peace, same strumming pattern that guards my heart. A minor, my help in times of D7 need. Next line goes, you are the hope, and B minor, then C, then this time D. Okay, so don't worry if you want to use D or D7, it's the same. Okay, so if you're comfortable using this one or this one, just go for it. If this one sounds better, go for it. If this one sounds better for you, go for it. So don't worry about, technicality. Okay? So, doon na tayo sa and there I find you waiting. It goes like, and there I find you waiting. So E minor, then B minor. There I find you waiting. Same strumming pattern. And there I find G, relief. So from C to D. I mean C to G. So it goes like, and there I'll find you. A B minor, down, up, down, and then down, up, down, and down, up, down. So with all my heart I worship. So with A minor, all my heart I G, worship. And unto you I'll sing, and unto you I'll D7, sing. So after that, chorus na. We're almost done with the song. Alright, so before we go to chorus, you may check out the link below for Chords Karaoke or Chords Karaoke. I also have made a song sheet for you, so you have your own copy of this song if you want to practice it by your own. Alright, and if you're interested in seeing my future videos, don't forget to subscribe this channel, give me a thumbs up, follow this channel for ukulele tutorials and kalimba tutorials. Alright, so now let's proceed to chorus, coming from D7. For you a C, alone deserve all D7 glory. For you a B minor, alone deserve all E minor, great praise. Rather, Father we see, and then D7, and then Father we long to see E minor, your face. For you a C, don't deserve all B glory. For you alone deserve all E minor praise. Father we A minor love you. That's D7, and we worship you this day. So it goes like that. Let's repeat, alright? For you are down, down, up, down, then down, down, up, down, then down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. You alone deserve, and B. For you alone deserve all praise. That's Father. Father, we love A minor, D7, and we worship you this day. Alright, so you just go back to the verse and chorus, and you may arrange it the way you want. Alright, so I hope this video helps you, and if you're interested in seeing my future videos, again, please subscribe this channel and give me a thumbs up. Alright, and let me know what you want to learn next. Please comment your song request below. Maraming salamat po, hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. Paalam.